Hi friends, welcome to the graph data structure tutorial by Asim Jain. So this is a series wherein we will learn about what graph data structure is, how Facebook or the airline companies use it, like when you do a friend's friend who is the common friend, or in LinkedIn when you say that he is your contact and someone else can introduce you to that contact and stuff like that, like the people, right? So we will look into that, how that all thing works, how Facebook and airline uses it. Then I'll tell you about terminologies used in graph, and then we will go to the types of the graphs, and then we will do the hands-on coding wherein we will code the graph, and then we will do the depth first traversal or the algorithm, and we'll also do width first and the shortest path. Shortest path in the sense, if there are two cities and they are connected, and you can go via several routes, which is the shortest, how to figure that out. So all that and more is part of this series of the graph data structure tutorial by Asim Jain. So stay tuned, this is the introduction part. In a next video we will learn and look deep into the terminologies related to graph data structure and types of graphs. See you. Bye.